Hi, I'm Chris, a co-founder of NutriBot, and at today's video I would like to give you a brief overview about our platform. If I would like to tell what is the NutriBot in one sentence, I will tell that NutriBot is the comprehensive meal prep and meal plan software. And if I would like to tell one sentence more, I would add that it is for micro, medium and large businesses tailored to your needs. Because if you are the micro, medium or large company, you can use different features and it can be really simple for the solopreneurs, or it can be really advanced for the companies with a few thousand deliveries daily. If we take a look on the bigger picture, you can see that we cover all the processes in meal prep company. If you think about the whole production process, starting from the e-commerce marketing through the dietitian layer to stacks, breakage and kitchen, portioning, dispatching and deliveries, we cover all these processes in the company. We divide these features to 4 main layers. So this is the e-commerce and support layer, the dietitian layer, the production and delivery, and I will show you briefly what kind of features and platforms you can find in each of them. This is our e-commerce and support layer. So we cover the whole process, starting from the customer acquisition up to the customer support and success, renewals and the customer reactivation if they're gone, if you would like to reactivate them. So quickly, to not give you too much details at this video. So first, we give the integration with your ads provider like the Facebook Pixel or Google Analytics. Then you can build your landing page on our website, or you can integrate our checkout with your website. We have the checkout process, so the customer can place an order and it will appear in our CRM. The customer support layer, so the clients have mobile apps, customer panel, your support team have their back office. There is a lot of features to improve customer satisfaction and to extend your shopping cart to upsell the additional services. Then we have the renewals, so we have a huge bunch of features to upgrade the renewal percentage, and reactivation if you would like to activate the clients who gone from your company. If we go to the top right side section, there is a dietitian section, so the dietitian can help you prepare the offer, so they can help to prepare what kind of meal plans you have, what kind of meals you have. They can add the ingredients to the software and use our own. They can create recipes based on the macros and ingredients. Then from these recipes they can build ready-made meals. He can collect the periodical menu, and if you allow for some kind of individual approach, they can handle customer exclusions and even create individual meal plans for the clients. Below you will find the production section, and there is a planning area, so you need to plan the quantity of the production. Then there is a stacks, so you need to create the purchasing list, then receive the goods on the stacks and release the goods. Then it is the pre-kitchen section, so you need to clean everything, peel it and cut to the right shapes. And then there is a kitchen section, so you need to cook all the recipes. The next section is the portioning, so you need to portion the recipes to the food containers. So there is a bunch of reports, starting from amount checking to prepare the right order of packaging, the right grammage of each recipe, closing containers, creating the bags, and the right collecting on the shelves. And the last but not least section is the delivery, or probably better named the logistics. So there is a dispatching, so it will help you collect all the containers for each client and pack it to the right bag. You can of course generate the labels for the bags. We have a great mobile app for the production, and there is a delivery section, so you can plan the route for each driver, sort the packages, and we have a dedicated mobile app for your drivers, so they can track the deliveries and check that they are delivered. And in brief overview, it is the NutriBot platform. I hope you will like it.